Yo, welcome to Team Go Mode. It's your man Earl, Batman Stringer. Now in this video, I'm going to answer the question, is affiliate marketing easier to make money with than network marketing? All right, so why this video even came to be was I was watching a video. Somebody was doing a review on a company I'm actually with called Nexus Rewards. Now Nexus Rewards, it's an underrated opportunity. All right, you want to check it out? Link in the description. But anyway, Nexus Rewards is in my opinion, it's a hybrid between affiliate marketing and network marketing. All right, so the guy was doing a review on Nexus Rewards, which primarily is looked at as a network marketing opportunity more than an affiliate marketing opportunity. All right, so I'm watching the review because seeing what other people talking, saying, watching the review, and I'm like, okay, I'm listening to it. The dude is cool, legit, professional. You know what I'm saying? Everything he's saying, I can relate to because I'm actually in Nexus Rewards. So at the end of his review, he pretty much said, this is a good company, but there's a couple little negatives. These are some positives, but overall, right? Overall, I think it would be kind of difficult to make money with Nexus Rewards, right? You can do it. It's a legit company, but I think, any time with network marketing, it's going to be difficult to make any money. This is what the guy said. And then, like most YouTubers do, and we all do it, you know what I'm saying? It's internet marketing. He, referred his viewers to, his method of making money online, right? So, of course, I'm like, I want to see what he's talking about. So I click on his link and his description to be like, okay, let's see what he talking about. So when I clicked on it, he had a little opt-in page, everything. So I opt in to see what the hell did he recommend that's so much better, so much easier than Nexus Rewards, right? So I click on it and I quickly realized he's talking about making money with affiliate marketing, right? Straight up affiliate marketing. So if you're new to the game, let me just basically break down the difference between affiliate marketing and network marketing. Affiliate marketing, basically, you get a product, you promote it, you know what I'm saying? And you get a straight commission for whatever you sell, whether it be 10%, whether it be 50%, you get a straight commission and that's it, right? Boom, you get a commission. With network marketing, it's usually the same thing. You promote an offer, a product, opportunity, whatever, and when you sell it, you get a commission. Usually you get an upfront commission, right? Like a startup fee or something like that. And then you get paid continually from the efforts of everyone that you bring into your network marketing team or organization, however you want to call it. And ultimately, you're going to get paid on many levels deep for every person that brings in, people into your business, right? So that, obviously that probably sounds better, right? You get more money from, less effort. But usually when it comes to affiliate marketing versus network marketing, your initial commission with network marketing usually would be smaller than a straight up commission with affiliate marketing, because with network marketing, you got to break down everybody got to get a little piece of the action, right? So both methods are profitable, right? Just to be clear. But it was just kind of funny that, this YouTuber, he kind of made it seem like, I wouldn't, Nexus Rewards is cool, but network marketing is very difficult, to make money with. And then he's promoting, he's promoting affiliate marketing. And to be honest with you, they're very similar, straight up. I'm gonna keep it real. I've been doing this for years, all right? It's going to take just as much effort, to make money with network marketing as it does with affiliate marketing. And to be honest with you, they both take some serious effort to make money with, right? And both of these opportunities you can actually make money with. And it just basically is about having a strategy and being consistent. So it doesn't matter if, you want to get into network marketing or affiliate marketing. To be honest with you, a lot of people do a little bit of both, right? And so if you're watching this and you were wondering like, oh, network marketing, gets a worse rap than affiliate marketing. Like more people are like, nah, I don't mess with network marketing, for whatever reason, versus affiliate. They're like, I don't do network marketing, I do affiliate marketing. Like, man, they're the same damn thing. It's just one, you break down the money and more people, you can benefit from more people, less effort. Like that's the only real difference. So, but that's why I do like Nexus Rewards is a perfect example of you get the best of both worlds. All right, because you can get actually a $10 commission up front, and then you get a recurring monthly, income with Nexus Rewards, which is the company that the guy was talking about. All right, so that's really cool because you get that cut, and then you get paid from the efforts of other people as well. Right. Another opportunity that's like that is Live Good, which is super popular right now. But with Live Good, you get an affiliate commission, $25 commission up front. All right. Now you don't get the $25 recurring monthly, but you're going to get, start building your team, and you're going to get paid from everybody who comes into your team. You're going to get paid from their efforts. Right. So that's super dope. So both of them opportunities I really like because it gives you the best of both worlds, affiliate marketing and network marketing. But just to sum it up, like honestly, they're both the same effort. You got to be willing to put in that work to be successful with either one, affiliate or network marketing. All right. But I can proudly say that I am making money with Nexus Rewards and Live Good. And I am sure that if you are serious, you can definitely be doing the same thing. So I'll put both opportunities in the description of this video as well as the pinned comment. So check them out. And I'm sure you will want to jump on one of these opportunities because they both are super dope. All right, check those out. And I will see you in the next video. Peace.